Is it okay to crack your own back or your knuckles? So really, the only thing that happens is you're just relieving the pressure in the back there. So you're getting those nitrogen gas bubbles out. But what you're not doing, you're not getting those vertebrae mobile, okay, to bring that blood flow and circulation to the area. And then you are not getting the vertebrae aligned and getting them forward to stimulate the nerves. It's just much better to have a chiropractor adjust your back, okay, so you can get that mobility, blood flow and circulation, and most importantly, stimulate the nerves.